Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Toyota Camry. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.